changed my genes. It's been a nightmare, money never came by dreams. Do you shoot a dirt, twist his top, AI clean. They miss me by a hair, I miss the block, praise my fiends. Give me solitaire, they ain't gonna break my spirit. Nothing to hold me on, that's when they try to take my lyrics. That'll kill me, cause Ether don't lie, for that I'm guilty. I'd rather that before I snake my dearest. A lot of these cornballs got body that's sworn on. Their faces get painted, I gotta be Warhol. I'll be getting stocky in four walls. That's right, I had heart before balls. Respect the discipline, but they only respect the bickering. As long as in the sevens, don't let the sinners in. Hell's roof will win again. Watch. Respect the discipline. Only here to collect the dividends. Respect the discipline. That's when the rap sheets rolls. Respect the discipline. Yo, look like cinnamon. Respect the discipline. Throw the thing there on them.
Chino running out of bars, like hell I am. Describe myself in 4 words, like hell I am. Puerto Rican godfather that's respected like God's father. Spilling vodka, she used to for liturgy lava. Douse karma in Satan's saliva, comma. Realest nigga by far, the bar ponder. The reason that human being gene pools in need of a lifeguard, probably. Monster with compromised mental health. I go to drugstores and put all the pills for back pain on the bottom shelf. My spit is ether that is deep and deeper than hell. I write what words would say if words could actually speak or write words for themselves. No glorification, but through affiliation. I see more huge birds than on Lady Gaga's lapel during Joe Biden's inauguration. The streets of disclosure or disclosed location. Ministers drop bags off so niggas can flip the congregation, sacred prayer donations. On rare occasions, when I had no fair inspiration, I throw in some Ito Brigante and plot amazing brains in police station desecrations. You and your man soft. I got caught cheating in solitaire out in the Middle East and cut my own hands off. What I'm conjuring, resting paranormal like Lorraine Warren. I just hung up on your life calling. Knife and syllable slashing, right till my wrist is cramping. Be advised you won't do a damn thing. You know the vibes like Lionel Hampton. Been a violent discipline champion since before busting out of the ice, raving and ranting. In the video for Sway and Takes wake up show anthem. Classic shit, nigga.
Respect discipline. Only here to collect the dividends. Respect the discipline. That's when the rap sheets rolls. Respect the discipline. Yo, look like cinnamon. Respect the discipline. Throw the thing there on them.